Good morning everyone. Welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Article 356 of the Constitution. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, Prime Minister Modi recalled in Rajya Sabha that in past governments at the centre had dismissed 90 state governments by misusing Article 356 of the Constitution. Now let's discuss what is Article 356 of the Constitution. Article 356 was inspired by Section 93 of the Government of India Act 1935. It empowers the President to withdraw to the Union the executive and legislative powers of any state if he is satisfied that a situation has arisen in which the government of the state cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution. Whether the constitutional machinery has broken down may be determined by the President at any time, either upon receipt of a report from the Governor or suo motu. It is also known as state emergency or constitutional emergency. Upon the imposition of this rule, there would be no Council of Ministers, and the state will fall under the direct control of the Union government. Now moving on to its duration and revocation. A proclamation imposing President's rule must be approved by both Houses of Parliament within 2 months from the date of its issue. The approval takes place through a simple majority in either house, that is, a majority of the members of the House present and voting. Initially valid for 6 months, it can be extended for a maximum period of 3 years with the approval of the Parliament every 6 months. A proclamation of the President's rule may be revoked by the President at any time by a subsequent proclamation. Such a proclamation does not require parliamentary approval. Now let's discuss about Constitution stipulates 3 types of emergencies. National emergency, Article 352. It can be declared on the basis of war, external aggression or internal disturbance. The proclamation of emergency must be approved by both Houses of Parliament within 1 month from the date of its issue. If approved, the emergency continues for 6 months and can be extended to an indefinite period with the approval of the Parliament every 6 months. A proclamation of emergency may be revoked by the President at any time by a subsequent proclamation. Such proclamation does not require parliamentary approval. The emergency must be revoked if the Lok Sabha passes a resolution by a simple majority disapproving its continuation. Constitutional emergency, Article 356, and financial emergency, Article 360. It empowers the President to proclaim if he is satisfied that a situation has arisen due to which the financial stability is threatened. A proclamation must be approved by both Houses of Parliament within 2 months from the date of its issue. Once approved by both Houses of Parliament, the financial emergency continues indefinitely till it is revoked. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the President's rule. 1. A proclamation imposing President's rule must be approved by both Houses of Parliament within 2 months from the date of its issue. 2. Initially valid for 6 months, it can be extended for a maximum period of 3 years with the approval of the Parliament every 6 months. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.